Hey there. In this video, I'm going to give you 8 signs that it might be time for you to sell your home. Okay, number one, your house is too big. You've got to maybe even have a two-story house and you haven't been up the stairs in a long time. You've got too much house. The kids are gone. They've been gone for a good while. You never go up there. The only time you go up there is to maybe get the Christmas decorations. Your house is too big, and now might be the best time for you to sell that bad boy. Number two, it might be too small. Things have changed a little bit in this world. A lot of people are working from home. You need a little more space. You want to spread out more. You want your own man cave. You want your own woman cave, whatever it may be. So it could be too big. That was the first one. Number two is it might actually be too small. And now is the time to make your move. Number three, and this is the biggie, and this one really is one that strikes me at my core. You're sick and tired of all the maintenance crap you got to deal with. It's cutting the yard. Your gutters are plugged up. Yeah, okay, you got gutter guard, whatever. But the AC may be running on its last leg. You may be having AC repairs, or it could be getting closer and closer to the time to replace that. In most houses today, it's going to cost you $10,000 to $20,000, or you may actually need a new roof. You know what? Your insurance company is saying, "Hey, your roof is too old. We don't want to insure it." There's a lot of things that go on. Almost seems like on a daily basis. The deck needs replacing. The fence is falling down. There's a lot of stuff that goes on with home maintenance. It may be time to go ahead and sell your house and get that stuff off your plate. Number four, you might just want a simpler lifestyle. I know this is hard for you to believe, but home ownership ain't necessarily what it's cracked up to be for a lot of people. It may be time to move into an apartment, a condo, a townhouse. Well, you know what? You just lock it and go. You got other things you'd rather do. You'd rather be playing golf. You'd rather be boating. You'd rather be playing pickleball. So it's a lifestyle change that may need to take place in your life to get that home ownership burden off of you. Number five, you're sitting on a bunch of equity. Yeah, I know you wish you'd have sold years ago and knocked that home run, but you're still sitting on a bunch of equity. You might say, well, I have a low interest loan, whatever. You know what? You still got a bunch of equity in that house, even if you still owe something on it. I know you're hanging on to that 3 or 4% interest rate, and you're hanging on to that, but you're not living the lifestyle you'd like to be living. You might want to cash out. Use that money to do some of the things you would like to do. Travel, play more golf, buy a boat, whatever it might be. Number six, you just need a change. What satisfied you 10, 15, 20 years ago isn't very satisfying today. Sometimes we just need like a new lease on life. We need to do something different. Go ahead and sell your home and do something different. Maybe you want to move someplace else in the same area, whatever it may be, but maybe it's time to do something a little bit different. One. Number seven, it's just time to be closer to family. A lot of times our family is out of state. We're getting older. It's time to make that change. It's time to move, be closer to them so you can enjoy your children, your grandchildren, a different lifestyle, whatever it may be. But it may be time for you to leave this area entirely. And finally, number eight, you've been talking about this forever. For years and years now, you've been talking about, we really need to sell. We need to move. We need to get out of here. You keep talking about it. You said, we're going to do it when I retire. We're going to do it next year. You know the drill, right? You keep talking about it and talking about it. Look, you're not getting any younger. The older we get, the more difficult making a move is. My suggestion is, depending on where you are in life, this might be the perfect time for you to sell that house and make that move that you keep you keep procrastinating on. You need to go ahead and do it. The whole Michael Jordan thing, just do it. I'm Tommy Gibbs. If I can help you, please reach out. Watch this video right here. Thanks and have a great day. See you. Bye.